Working with ecce has allowed us to streamline our transaction order taking process between our sales guys and our dealerships, which has allowed us to remove a whole lot of waste from the conversations and misinformation. Hi there, I'm Daniel Upperton. I'm the marketing manager for Stabicraft Marine. We are an aluminium trailer boat company based in New Zealand at the bottom of the country. We export boats to the US, Australia, and we supply domestically. We are the largest trailer boat manufacturer in New Zealand. We've been running since 1987, and our main clients are our dealerships. We have over 30 dealerships globally who then serve our customer base. We've been working with ecce for, must be close on 12 months now. We went through a huge ERP system changeover, and an opportunity presented itself to bring ecce on board to supply us an e-commerce system for our dealerships. The problems we were facing weren't actually known to us until we started asking some questions. So once the ecce solution was proposed, it started sending off a few light bulbs about, oh, okay, we could actually do this with our dealers. So basically, our sales transaction system works where a dealership from anywhere in the globe fills out an Excel spreadsheet form, a dealer order form for a boat, and they will manually fill it out. They'll fill it out electronically. They'll fax it to us, believe it or not. They will email it to us, and it can just be scrawled notes and what have you. So as you can imagine, there's a lot of misinformation, wrong information, inconsistent information. And until this ecce solution was put forward to us, we thought, man, there's a real opportunity here to really mitigate a lot of that risk by having one stream of information where you can't go in and manipulate it in any way, shape or form. ecce's been able to provide a solution where it's like a one-stop shop for information. There's just less rework going on with respect to getting the specification right. It's fundamentally, it's an e-commerce platform. So we've set up a dealer portal where dealers can log in to their own area, and within that area, they can go and select any model they like, choose the customer, and then an order number is generated. They'll go through and choose the specification, boat color, all matter of options that we offer. They can either save it as a draft and work on it later, or they can submit it as an order, and that just gets pushed through our ERP system. As you can imagine, working with ecce on the other side of the world, based in the UK versus New Zealand, has its challenges with respect to the time difference, but the communication has been top notch. It actually works quite well when we can see a problem during our normal workday time zone and present that to those guys who are on the other side of the world, and then they're working on it in their own time zone while we're asleep. So by the time we come back in the morning, there's usually a solution to that problem. So the time zone, we actually made it work really well. Really top-notch communicators, lots of Zoom calls, recorded calls. So it was really seamless. Even though we're only 3 weeks in to the system going live, we can see the huge potential for our sales guys saving a whole lot of time and let them concentrate on the bigger picture stuff rather than mundane daily rework things. We've had such positive feedback from our dealers saying this new system is amazing. It's really quick and easy. They can make changes. The information is really clear and concise. It's been super positive. Don't get me wrong, we've had the odd anomaly that we've had to work through like any implemented system. But again, ecce have been awesome in dealing with and getting those changes put through really, really quickly. So it's just been a phenomenal process. It's absolutely, I'd recommend ecce. This was a specific solution for someone implementing the Greentree ERP system, which I know there are thousands of around the world. I honestly believe that ecce have a really tangible, workable solution for almost any company. I mean, we're in manufacturing. I know they've dealt with other businesses outside of manufacturing. So I can see this being a product that can be used across all matter of businesses.